Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Snort token. Now this token is on the Basechain, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, April 29th, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is up 20% in the past 24 hours and has a trading volume, a 24-hour trading volume of $1.9 million. So it's a pretty popular token. It's actually trending number 24 right now on a DEX screener. And this token here, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting April 29th at 5 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Snort, and then simply just buy the token. Now, you can find their Telegram at Snort WTF, 377 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel. That's a great place to see updates regarding this project if you want to learn more. And also their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, at Snort WTF as well. Blue verified check marks. 67 tweets so far, 804 followers, brand new project, just joined Twitter in April 2024, and they have a link to their Telegram and their webpage right there on that Twitter, so you're going to find all the links there. Snort.wtf is their webpage, and in the pinned tweets, they also have their contract address, so there's a tweet here from April 23rd. It says Snort is now live on the Basechain. This is a Basechain token, Coinbase's blockchain, and has a link, has a contract address right in the pinned tweet there. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. So first of all, this token is getting this brand new central exchange listing tomorrow on Mexc Global. So that's one way to get this token. And they're also doing a Kickstarter event prior to the listing on Mexc Global where you could vote with MX tokens and win airdrops, and there's a reward pool of 50,000 USDT. So you can check that out on their Twitter there for the Mexc Global listing. You can also get this token off of Uniswap, maybe Sushi Swap as well, but definitely Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet, your Coinbase wallet, or your MetaMask wallet with ETH, bridging it to Base, and then using the contract address right there, trade your Base for the Snort token. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. On their Mexc Global announcement, it says, Snort, I'm a Base degenerate who sniffs out moonshots like truffles. And you're going to be seeing this mug all over the place. Strap in because we're taking over. And then on their Base scan, it says they have 2,982 holders so far. So they're doing very well. 18 decimal places on this token, 91,835 transfers, and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. And on their webpage, they have links to their socials. They have a claim button if you were involved with the, I guess maybe as a pre-sale or an airdrop or whatever. If you're involved with that, that's what you click on. And then they have links to their to CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Basechain, DEX tools. It says, all right, listen up, Memecoin maniacs, gather round and meet Snort, the walking, talking blue chip of the altcoin alley. This guy's got a schnoz that can sniff out the next 100 times gems in a landfill of LARPs. He's dealing in blue magic. That's right, the base blockchain. So if you're looking to ride the volatility wave with our boy Blue, then you know who's got it. Keep your wallets open and your spirits high because it's about to get wild. And then it says, come hang out. It's got a link to their Twitter and their Telegram. It shows you step-by-step how to bridge base and use a Coinbase wallet and use Uniswap and all that type of stuff. So it says here how the token is split up. So it looks like they did have a pre-sale, and that's what the claim button was for. So 50% of the tokens go to pre-sale airdrop, 30% go to supply liquidity injection, 5% supply market maker, 5% supply for marketing, and 10% initial LP injection. 1 billion tokens, LP locked, 0 taxes. Big disclaimer at the bottom of the page. Always read the disclaimers, of course. And then if we go over to DEX tools, they do have a quick audit there we could check out, and there's no warnings on it. So that's great to see. There's 2 quick audits on DEX tools you could review. One of them is from GoPlus Security. The other one's from Quick Intel Security. Contract verified, no honeypot, no buy and sell taxes, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, no blacklisting, scam risk is undetected, no hidden owners, so on and so forth. No whitelisting. And yeah, so lots of good check marks there on their quick audit. So that's great to see. Their market cap is pretty big here. So it says it is, let me scroll down here, $6.4 million is their market cap and their fully diluted valuation. And they have $936,000 in liquidity on Uniswap, so they're doing very well. This token was created about 5 days ago, and then they have 2 audits also on DEX Screener that you could check out that have no issues on them either. So check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where this token will be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.